The EU empowers young people, including Ukrainians like me, paving the way for our nation to join the European Union.
Ukrainians need access to education, and EU is investing to help them to create their European future.
My name is Olena. Originally, I'm from Ukraine, Kharkiv, and right now I'm an Erasmus exchange student to Gdansk, Poland. I'm a long life learner, team leader, volunteer, and just a girl.
Привіт, Каміле!
Ahoj, Olena. I'm Kamil. I work at Masaryk University in Brno, here in Czech Republic. I'm IT architect and also assistant professor.
I study here a mix of political sciences and economics. I've chosen this subject to study because I really want to develop my country and be a catalyst of positive changes in my home country.
During the Russia's Federation aggression, quite a lot of infrastructure was destroyed. Not only students, but also teachers were relocated, so it's really hard to continue in education. The goal of the project is to create a national education platform for Ukrainians.
From perspective, I can say that we have a lot of opportunities from the EU. Thanks to you, Ukrainians have this opportunity to not only to study, but also gain some work experience, cultural experience, or to gain some new knowledge, new skills.
We want to build this infrastructure so everybody can access to the education data, and also we want to train the teachers so they can easily use this platform. The project is funded via Erasmus Plus program, and without this funding, this is only happening. So we believe there will be like 300 universities using it.
When it comes to European integration of Ukraine and joining to the European Union, Ukraine can bring market expansion, developing of labor market, innovations, adaptivity. The EU can give to Ukraine economical growth, developing of human rights, fostering sustainable development, and for sure political stability.
It's important for the future because we believe somehow, some way, the war will end. And at the end, is a difference if you have a lot of uneducated young people, or you have new future generation ready to rebuild and join all the efforts which will be needed to rebuild Ukraine.
When I arrive back to Ukraine, absolutely I'll bring rule of law, human rights, and respect for diverse society in my country. I think it will be amazing when Ukraine will join into the EU and will work in this direction more.